In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Watercolor Fringe in Krita. Create a new canvas, then select the Brush tool by pressing B. Open the Brush Presets docker, search for Watercolor Fringe and select the brush. Choose your foreground color, then adjust the brush size using the bracket shortcut keys or the size slider. Start painting with light pressure to create soft watercolor strokes with subtle edge variations. Increase the pressure to add stronger color and more visible texture. Apply multiple strokes to build up the watercolor effect gradually. Use the color picker by holding Ctrl to sample nearby colors and create smoother color transitions. Adjust the brush opacity or flow if you want a lighter and softer effect. Watercolor Fringe is perfect when you want to create watercolor strokes with natural color edges and textured details. It is great for adding depth and a handmade watercolor feel to your artwork. This brush is useful for watercolor illustrations, textured backgrounds, landscapes, skies, foliage, and adding unique edge effects to painted areas. And that's how to use Watercolor Fringe in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.